Right, good afternoon guys. Today is a unusual day for me as I don't come out on a Sunday. But hello, it's Ian Rail here. Today you'll be seeing services from cross country and East Midlands trains, including some diverts from the Burton line, which is currently closed. So as you can notice on platform 4, which is on the left side of me, is a pair of 170s, I believe 110 or 117. I do not know yet, but it has got another one behind it connected up for some particular reason, as it's doing the Ely run. Another train just about to pull in is the 1316 East Midlands train service to Sheffield, I believe. The 170 on the right of me is Bowling Street for the 170 113. Just about to pull in now is what is 2220 something. I would say the number as she pulls in. So anyway, let's see what arrive and departs from Leicester. Right, the 222 pulling in now is 222-0003. Mr. Tornado. That includes you, Mr. Tornado 922. Right, as she pulls in, I will pause the video and I will get back to it when she departs. Right, I believe 170-113 bound for Birmingham is just about to depart, as well as the train on platform 4. I'm not too sure because he has been given the road, so let's see which one departs first. There goes the whistle for 170-113. Or I could be wrong, it could be 222-003. There goes the whistle again. I do tend to keep these videos rolling because you don't know when they're going to depart. I'll find out as soon as possible. I've got a feeling we can get 2 trains departing at the same time. You know what? Let's wait until these trains depart, eh? Right, 222-003 is bound for Sheffield. It's just about to depart. That will be Mr. Tornado. Lovely wave from the driver. Right, and also just departing is 170-112 bound for Ely. Lovely nod from the driver there. 170-112 departing with his fellow classmate 170-518 bound for Ely. Triple two 003 just leaves off in the distance. You might just be able to see him as 170-1112. No, 170-112 and 170-518 depart for Ely, going on to the slow line. The train just pulling in is a London bound service from Leeds, I believe. This is a HST power car set. The HST in the front is 43049 at the front. And the rear power car, which I'll get to it soon enough, as the driver looks like it's a trainee, so she will be taking it slowly into the station, which is fair enough. Right, the power car at the rear, if it takes its time to get here, is 43. 43054. Right, 43049 and 43054 are just about to depart. I'm raising my voice unfortunately because this part, the rear power car, seems to make a lot more noise than the front. But hopefully you should see a bit of smoke as well. Right, 43049 and 43054 now departing for London. Snap! There's a photo for me and a photo for you lot to have a look at as well. Right, 43049 and 43054 now departing for London via all stations en route. If you didn't hear me earlier, it is Ian Rail here, so let's see what comes and passes from Leicester. I do say that for some reason because I do forget to say these sort of things in the start of the video, so I do apologise for that. 43049 and 43054 now gone off to London. Right, just putting in now is a double-headed set of meridians bound for Nottingham. Surprisingly, what makes me laugh is they're both 5-car sets, but they say board the front 6 coaches for Beeston, when technically they should really be doing only 5. So we don't know what's going on. Unfortunately, he's going to be put in right next to me, which is going to be a pain in the arse. Right, arriving in now is 222020 and its fellow classmate, which I'll get at the rear as soon as she departs. Hey, you're looking a bit muddy today, aren't you? Perfection. Just about to depart is 222020 with its fellow classmate in the rear, which I'll catch the numbers off, bound for Nottingham via Loughborough, Eastman's Parkway and Beeston. Fellow classmate is, I'll repeat that, his fellow classmate is 222016. Triple 2220 and 222016 heading off to Nottingham via Loughborough, Beeston, Loughborough, Eastman's Parkway and Beeston. Unexpectedly, me having to run over to this side of the platform. 222015 with another fellow classmate is just about to depart Leicester for London. Just coming up behind me, which I'm actually going to move my tripod over. Voyager 222015 is departing any minute now. 220,030. 220,030 from Plymouth to Motherwell, and the fellow classmate at the rear is the fellow classmate of East Midlands Trains 222015 is 222013 bound for London. 220,030 is heading off to Motherwell. The reason why they're only stopping at Motherwell is because of the current network rail workings at the moment going from Motherwell to Glasgow. Ignore that horrible sound in the background. The next train to pass through Leicester will be a cross-country HST 1 Victor 56 Edinburgh Penzance. Right, approaching in now is a 220 or 221 bound on 1 Victor 56 Edinburgh to Penzance. Geyser, excuse the sudden shakedown. I hit my camera with my knee again, as per bloody usual. Right, it's a 221 cross-country Voyager. Is Edinburgh to Penzance 150.56 221.139. on 150.56 Edinburgh to Penzance. Right, I'm going to say this, I'm going to end my video here at Leicester. The only reason why is because I want to save some videoing left for minutes to do some stuff with other services around for the Diverts. So thank you very much for watching my Trains at Leicester video, including three or four, I'm not sure, of Diverts from cross-country voyages. I know there's HST sets later. So after this video goes up, there will be additional singular videos following not too far behind. So thank you very much, and I shall see you again whenever I actually start videoing again soon. So thank you, bye. Thank you very much and goodbye. Sorry about that.